PML known leader and former Speaker of the National Assembly, Sardar Ayaz Sadiq, has triggered a controversy by stating on the floor of the National Assembly that the PTA government had released captured Indian pilot wing commander under pressure of an Indian attack. He said Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi had said this in a meeting of parliamentary leaders in the wake of Pakistan shooting down of the Indian aircraft. The statement has created as a result of which the DG ISPR has had to deliver a televised statement denying the former speaker's claim. The military spokesman made it clear Pakistan had achieved victory over India in this post-Balakot conflict and had released the captured pilot as an illustration of its mature strategic restraint. The spokesman said this gesture by Pakistan was appreciated at the international level. There is no doubt that the statement by the PML known leader is irresponsible and it would have been far better had he not made it. One expects someone of his experience and political profile to have the potential consequences of his words before uttering them in public. These words are now being exploited by India. The impact of Pakistan's comprehensive domination of last year's conflict. It also does not behove a senior politician like him to violate the confidential of high-level meetings. It is unlikely that the government would have released the Indian prisoner under any pressure. That said, there is no harm in having a public debate about whether this was the right step to take at this moment. A case could be dealt that Pakistan should have held on to the prisoner for some time. Indulging in such a debate does no harm.